I will demonstrate how to initiate a profitable YouTube channel using artificial intelligence or AI exclusively. We will automate the entire video creation process, from script writing to voiceovers, image selection, and all the necessary steps in between. By the end of this video, we will have constructed a YouTube channel that generates income, consistently producing content and passive earnings. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. The initial step is to visit an AI tool known as ChatGPT. Within ChatGPT, we will request a substantial list of YouTube channel concepts. In mere seconds, the AI gets to work. Although there are numerous excellent ideas on the list, the most promising one, which I am confident will be the most profitable, is review videos. Many channels already produce this type of content, typically following a consistent format: faceless videos showcasing product images related to the topic of discussion. These videos are perfect for AI automation, including voiceovers. What's even better is that such channels can be highly lucrative if managed correctly. Let's go about it the right way. First, we will head to youtube.com to create our account. We must then devise a channel name, and we can easily accomplish this by returning to ChatGPT and asking the AI for a list of YouTube channel name ideas for a product review channel. The AI generates numerous impressive names, but I have selected The Informed Consumer for our channel. Next, we require a YouTube profile picture that stands out, appears professional, and suits our channel's name. For this purpose, we will return to an image-generating AI program called Midjourney, instructing it to create a profile picture suitable for a product review channel. The image produced, although dissimilar to myself, is perfect. Additionally, we need a YouTube banner image to go at the top. I will ask the AI to create a banner image fitting for a product review channel. The only remaining task is to bring this AI-generated text into Canva to eliminate it and properly adjust the dimensions. The final step before our channel is ready is to add a description. The AI's contribution in this regard is quite impressive. In just 5 minutes, we have managed to establish a YouTube channel complete with branding, and I'm thoroughly impressed with the AI's performance. Now it's time to create the actual video. A typical product review YouTube video comprises various elements, including the script, voiceover, visuals, and music. We can employ AI for each of these components, starting with the script. In ChatGPT, I will request a list of the 100 most popular consumer products because it's crucial to focus on products that people are actively purchasing. In mere seconds, the AI provides an extensive list of trending consumer products. The specific product with which we begin is not critical, as we intend to cover them all eventually. Our first choice is vacuums. For the research segment of the script, we will use Google's AI tool, Bard, to inquire about the top 5 vacuums this year. Subsequently, we will individually provide each of these products to ChatGPT, instructing the AI to compose an informative 500-word video script for each vacuum. We will commence with the Dyson V15 Detect. The reason for a 500-word script is that longer videos tend to perform better with the YouTube algorithm. After combining all the scripts for the vacuum, we will have a 2,500-word script equivalent to a roughly 10-minute video, which is ideal. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. With the video script complete, the next element is the voiceover. I am currently on a website called InVideo, which is a powerful online video editor featuring several valuable AI tools, including automated text-to-speech dictation. After generating the voiceover using Jack, we have a realistic-sounding narration. Are you in search of the perfect vacuum cleaner for your home? In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best vacuums you can buy right now. Now that the voiceover is ready, it's time to address the visuals, the only part that requires a bit of manual work. we need to find 4 or 5 images and videos of each product. For instance, for the Dyson V15 Detect, I will go to Google, search for the vacuum, access images, and select a couple of lifestyle images. Within seconds, I found 2 suitable pictures. Next, we need to locate a few videos demonstrating the use of the vacuum. To accomplish this, I will go to YouTube, search for the vacuum, identify relevant videos, and use a free YouTube video downloader to obtain these videos. Having gathered all the necessary assets for one vacuum, it's time to integrate them into the voiceover using InVideo. Our goal is to create visuals resembling the style of other product review channels, featuring slow panning motion of videos displayed for several seconds and brief video clips interspersed between them. I have also noticed that these channels often switch between 2 separate videos. This is done to prevent copyright claims by rotating different images and videos, ensuring that no individual clip lasts more than approximately 6 seconds. This method allows the use of other people's video footage without encountering copyright issues. We will replicate this approach for all 5 products on our list. Following a brief, perhaps 5-minute session to source various images and video clips for all 5 vacuums and another 10 minutes for editing in InVideo, our video is now complete. The last step is to find suitable music, which is conveniently provided by InVideo with a broad selection of tracks. Alternatively, you can employ an AI music generation platform like Strove to create music based on specific moods and sounds. However, in this instance, using InVideo's music library proves quicker and more convenient given the vast selection readily available. With the addition of music, our video is now finished. I will upload this video to our channel, provide a title, and design the thumbnail, a task that can be completed in under 2 minutes using Canvas-free thumbnail templates. One more task remains before we are finished. We must include affiliate links for all the products in the video's description. These affiliate links will contribute significantly to our earnings in addition to the revenue generated through YouTube AdSense once the channel is monetized. To set up these links, I will navigate to Amazon's affiliate program, sign up, obtain affiliate links for the vacuums, and place them in the video's description. Whenever someone watches the video and clicks on a link in the description before making a purchase, we earn a commission. These commissions accumulate quickly, and substantial view counts are not necessary to start generating income through this method. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!